Gary, I like to be a little bit of a skeptic here.
The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a tornado warning for west central Fresno County in central California until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:37 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mendota, Oregon, 19 miles southwest of Madera, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Kerman and Viola around 4:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include San Joaquin. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Increase in a person who